break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini just a race with China.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video from your girl. So today I'm going to be installing this wig by Ali Pearl Hair, and this wig is a 5x5 closure wig, and it is in 24 inches, and it is a deep wave wig. So right here I'm just showing y'all all of the goodies that they put in the bag as well as the hair. This is the wig, y'all. I just love me a deep wave wig. It's my favorite texture of hair. Like, it's just so pretty and I just love it on myself. This wig came pre-bleached, and the knots came pre-bleached and the wig came pre-plucked. I did a little bit more plucking myself. I kind of overdid it a little bit, but it still turned out cute. And to apply this wig, I'm going to be using my Ebon Wonder Lace Adhesive Spray. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply one layer first, and then add another layer and place the lace into the spray. And initially I wanted to do a side part, which is why y'all see the hair kind of pulled over to the side a little bit, but I changed my mind and I decided I wanted to do a middle part instead. A middle part just kind of suited me a little bit better. So after I place the lace into the spray, I'm just using my comb to kind of lay the lace down and make sure that it blends and it starts to melt. And sometimes if I feel like it needs a little bit more, I just take a little bit of the spray on my finger and just tap it onto the lace and the parts of the lace that I feel like just need to be melted better. And then I'm just pulling out a little bit of baby hair. I personally like to do baby hair with curly wigs. I just feel like it has like an extra little cute touch to the hair, just in my opinion. But if you choose to, you definitely don't have to do baby hairs, and if you want to, you can skip this step. And then I'm going to take my Tresemme hairspray on this little edge comb, and I'm just going to spray it on the comb and then comb my edges up just to create a more sleek look.
My brother name was Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would have went corporate. She wish I would have went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Chevy, où est mon bec?
They included this little elastic band into the box, so I'm just going to use this to tie the lace down and get everything melted. And I just parted my hair at the top a little bit, and then I'm taking my She Is Bomb wax stick and I'm adding that to the root of the hair, and then I go over and hot comb it with my Andis hot comb on the hottest setting. Hot combing your wig is probably, in my opinion, one of the most important steps of a wig install. If your wig is not flat, it's going to be giving a wig for sure. So make sure you really take the time to like really hot comb it at the top and get it as flat as you can get it. If you have to spend a little bit more time on hot combing it and getting it super flat, definitely take that extra time because it's so important to me. And it just makes it look 10 times better.
If I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you go, it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I millions. I did. The toughest actor follows back on tour. Off-road, made back, Pyrex, trap, Virgil came back through the boy.
And you can literally see how much better it looks because it's flat at the top versus how it was initially. Like, it just looks so much neater. It looks more like natural, and everything is just flowing together a lot better. And then once you take the band off, everything's just melted, y'all. Like, a good wig install just makes me so happy. And I ended up pulling out a lot more baby hair than what I needed because, like I said, I did overpluck this wig a little bit. So I'm just going to go in with my tweezers and I'm just going to tweeze the baby hairs just to get them a lot thinner, because obviously I just didn't want to lay the baby hairs with the baby hairs being this thick.
Wrist on Millie rock, them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I was just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Fuck a wedding ring out by the neck.
So I wanted to create really soft and just fluffier looking baby hairs with this install. So I'm basically going to part the baby hairs into two sections and then cut. So at the top, I basically am going to cut it shorter. And then on that lower half, I'm going to cut it a little bit longer. And it's just going to create like a layering effect with the baby hairs and make them look a lot more curly. Y'all going to see exactly what I mean. But I'm just doing this on both sides and I'm using an eyebrow razor to cut them. And I'm using a pencil flat iron and I'm basically just going to curl them upward.
Hold up, without no weave you out. Hold up, bitch, I spit your rent inside the mouth. Hold up, she got a...
And right here I'm showing y'all that I'm using hairspray and gel, but honestly I really just recommend to use the hairspray if you really want them to be super soft and fluffier. But I ended up using gel on this side and then I just used just hairspray on the other side, and I personally like how it turned out better when I used just the hairspray. And I'm basically just like curling the ends of the hair on each section that I did on the baby hairs. Y'all kind of see what it's giving. Like, it's giving more of like a curly baby hair type of look, a more like soft fluffy kind of look.
All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Hold up, bitch, my Rolex on fleek, hold up, bitch, my diamonds on fleek. Hold up, I got gold on my teeth. Hold up, you got rainbow on your feet.
Hold up, corny niggas don't impress me. Hold up, never let a bitch dress me. Hold up, ain't no motherfucking judge check me.
And I've been wanting to try this Nairobi hair mousse for the longest. Every time I go in a beauty supply store, I'll see it, but I just won't ever pick it up. And I finally decided to just get it. I was like, girl, just get that mousse. Like, you've been looking at that mousse for years. Just go ahead and get it. And when I say this is my favorite mousse, like, I really wish I would have gotten it sooner. It just makes your hair, like, some mousses, you'll put it in your hair and it'll make the hair, like, really, like, crunchy, and like it'll make it like really hard to rub your fingers through after you apply. But this mousse kept the hair really soft. It didn't make it too crunchy. Like, it helps the hair really stay and defines the curls. But I don't know, I just really like it, y'all. I'm just using a spray bottle and adding a little bit of water, and then I go in with the mousse, and I'm using this little detangler brush, and these curls came out popping, y'all. Now I'm more into like my hair being like really fluffy but also defined at the same time. So that's like the look that I was giving. I don't really like super duper duper defined curly hair. Like, I don't want that wet look all day. I want the hair to still have some like fluff and softness to it. So yeah, I'm just applying my mousse and my water, and it just came out so cute.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this lace was already given, but I used a little bit of makeup. This is Maybelline Fit Me in the color Coconut, and I'm just using this fluffy brush and I'm just tapping it on the lace, and that really just took the lace to the next level and helped it blend a lot better. And then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Warm Honey in this little slanted angle brush, and I'm just going to use this to go down my part just to make the part a lot straighter and more defined.
She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but every time I wear my hair like this, I be just like obsessed. Like, I think that this is like one of my favorite hairstyles on myself. It just really like brings out my face. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's so cute. So this wig is by Ellie Pearl Hair. This is a 5x5 closure wig, and it is in 24 inches. And y'all, I'm obsessed. This is deep wave hair. Like, I'm obsessed with deep wave hair. Deep wave is my favorite curly hair texture. So this wig does come pre-plucked and the knots came pre-bleached. I did a little bit of plucking. I almost did a little bit too much plucking, and because I haven't plucked a wig in a while, y'all, all these wigs be coming pre-plucked, so I never really pluck them. But today I decided to do a little bit of plucking, and I went a little crazy, not gonna lie, but I still think it turned out really cute. If y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, I will leave a link in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go and check it out. This is Ellie Pearl Hair, and this hair is so good. Like, it's so just luscious and thick. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn your post notifications so that you can always be notified anytime your girl posts a video. And yeah, I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one.